Hello, viewers. My name is Adam.
No, I'm Aaron.
This is Seeking Me Productions. Bring you another trailer bait.
Okay, so I guess Marvel wants to come swing in out here with some power hitters.
I want to know how many people I actually recognize outside comic community of who She-Hulk is.
It's a good question.
She-Hulk, attorney at law. This is not going to probably remind anybody about a certain Adult Swim show.
True. So true.
Wow. Bringing in Jessica Walters into the MCU really shows showing how much into the catalog of Marvel's library of characters that they're willing to go into it, and the mere fact that they're doing this not as a movie because Universal would probably want something.
If they had the choice, they probably would have. So at this point, this is probably the next best thing they can do.
And they've been trying to get another Hawk-related television show like for a while now.
Hawk-related content in general.
But because the Universal deal has been the Disney deal, they want all the proceeds.
Exactly.
And the most recognizable Hawk television show that ever came to existence was way back in the 70s.
Yeah.
With Bill Bixby in the role.
It's iconic. Everybody knows it.
Early days of Marvel live action comic books. And lo and behold, we'll be looking at this this trailer, Mark Ruffalo's Hawk. We saw like a few glimpses way earlier in the year when Disney Plus did their huge preview of what's to come in 2022. And from before we look at this, it looks like it's going to be more of a lighthearted take.
But, to be honest with you, I'll be, put it out there. I'm not necessarily, or never was really all that interested or, on board with Mark Ruffalo when he took over the role of Bruce Banner / the Hawk.
And a lot of his character development tends to always happen off screen.
Exactly, which is, for me, that's a huge problem because that doesn't give me enough time to really, connect with him as you would with the other characters that you're constantly on the road with. But there's always been some form of a disconnect with me in that particular actor's portrayal of this character.
So hopefully, if as often as he's possibly going to be appearing in this role, in this series, despite the fact that he's not the title Hawk, it's his cousin.
Exactly.
So let's see what She-Hulk's all about. The first official trailer is the teaser.
Being a superhero is a trial by fire. Who's gonna protect the world if it's not people like you?
Show us the face.
I'm Jennifer Walters. I'm a lawyer. I have great friends. Can we get some shots, please? It's an emergency. Demanding job.
We just started a superhuman law division, and I want you to be the face of it.
Hey!
Okay.
And a frustrating family.
Because we didn't ask for this, but you still gotta deal with it. The transformations are triggered by anger and fear.
Those are like the baseline of any woman just existing. Whoa. It feels like if I don't transform, I'm gonna die.
Yes. No.
I just want to be a normal, anonymous lawyer. Can you tell us where She-Hulk is? Jen, you're a story now. Girl, your ass looks crazy right now. You could be an Avenger. No, I'm not a superhero. That is for billionaires and narcissists and adult orphans for some reason. Is there anything more depressing than dating in your 30s?
Yeah, this is the best date I've had in a while.
Oh.
Should we split some fries?
Let's get those to go.
That's good. That's okay. Now that last part is actually what saved it for me. Because especially there, I was a little bit on the, kind of teeter-tottering on that one. I think they still need a little bit more time in the cooker, in my opinion.
Yeah, Phase 4, they have some hit and miss with the VFX department. And and it's not the fact that Disney don't have all the money in the world. It's just very prevalent that because they're even much more coming out a lot more sooner, there's not a lot of time they're giving out their VFX artists.
Exactly. They need to take the time in order to make sure that these effects that are utilizing in their series or the movies or whatever projects they're working on, they got their effects artists to be working on, is done to completion, because that makes or breaks a visual for me.
Yeah, but aside from the obvious VFX issues aside, this is like looks like she's Tatiana Maslany, talented artist way back. I've been a fan of her since Orphan Black. She is a promising character. Her promising take on Jessica Walter's She-Hulk looks good. Like all the spectrums of it from her personality. I didn't see him as the actor in this preview. If somebody look at comments below, rest in peace, William Hurt, who portrayed General Ross in the first Incredible Hulk and again in Civil War. Because what we know about the series is that there's probably a lot of Hawks in this series. That's what it's been rumored, and his character nobly turns into Red Hawk.
Yeah, and it's gonna be really how they're gonna go around that. I mean, you're gonna have to recast him at some point, especially if you want to still introduce that character. So heavy heart. Marvel's been actually getting hit with a lot of these blows lately. So it's like
I had to tear down the tone of this video, but it is something that probably will keep an eye out on how or if they want to tackle that situation. But from the tone and what the presentation is so far, at least from the central character and her world of being a superhero attorney, it looks spot on. Just hope the VFX is really done, because August is coming very fast. But there you have it. That's our look at She-Hulk. My name is Adam.
And I'm Mir.
Please be sure to look at our social media accounts, Instagram, Facebook, and on Twitter for other type of social media reviews.
Please hit that bell down there at the bottom for notifications. We want to hear from you. Are you geeked? Are you excited for the new She-Hulk television series? Just watch out.
Yeah, been looking for it since they announced it. And so, see you later.